Okay, we already declare the variables location. And now we are going to use it here. We also need to set it. Okay, so it seems that it is a string, so we need to use this functions stfsby to copy the value. We cannot use assignment, so this is the way. It's just copy paste here, copy paste and change into location. Okay, text proceeded on location, and we also need to use the similar. So if it's the highest, then copy the location. Okay, then we need to exchange. Okay, highest temperature. Highest temperature is at okay, means that we are going to set this into this one. Okay, highest temperature is Celsius. We can put this at this Celsius at the location. Okay, let's check. Location. Okay, there's some error here. Let's check. If the highest temperature. Could be the possibilities. Oh, okay. Here we change. Okay, highest temp. It's not using this anymore. Instead, we set to this one. Okay, because these variables are the item that will store the latest the current value. Okay, let's compile again. The highest temperature is 45 Celsius at 7. Okay, it's correct, right? Okay, so we have done this. Next, we are going to define this. Okay, we are going to create a function. Okay, so it seems that it is a function, so we need to operate it outside the main function. Unless if it is stated as a program segment, meaning that it is it is as a part or in the main. But if it is a function, so we need to create a function which is outside the main. So just copy what is the requested function. It is find temperature average, and it will return, meaning that if it is returned, we cannot put void. Instead, we need to determine what be the data will be returned. It is average, since that temperature is in double, so average will also be in double. Okay, let's get this. and we need to create a parameter argument. It seems that we are going to use the data regarding on the pointer that we create for this structure. So we need to use this temperature node. Okay, send this node, type of node, and you can pick any names, whatever names, let's say n, as the argument or parameter. So start with creating a pointer here that will be used. So let's say we use as temp pointer. This is not temperature, but it is a temporary pointer and assigned to, and it will take whatever value sending by n. Okay, and remember to do every time we want to check for the nodes, because we are going to find based on the nodes in the link, which we need to determine, we need to calculate the average. So means in this case we are going to sum up the values and then calculate into average. So we need to declare one variable, let's say sum of the temperature equal to 0, 0. Then we need to set them so let's say we just write temp ptr is not equal to now. Well, it is not equal to null. We need to go traversing. Also, we are going to sum up the value of plus equal to temp, because we are using temp ptr here, temp ptr on the data and on the temperature, right? Temperature. Okay, and don't forget to ensure that it will move to the next pointer, data.next. Is it data.next or not? It's just next. Okay, then once we finish calculating, so we need to declare one variable, the average variable. So average will be always be equal to sum ptr divided by size. Okay, size is our number of data. Whatever value we set, we'll divide. Okay, and since that should return value, so we return the final one is average. Okay. Okay, I guess we have done this. Okay, so we have done this function definition. Then next we need to declare this function. So just copy function name all together with the parameter and put it here. And don't forget to put the return type semicolon. So this is the function declaration, and we need to call it in our main. So here we just paste this one, paste the function name. Okay, so let's say we are going to display okay, no. Seems that this function is a returning function, means that it holds a value. So when it holds value, so we need to put it into this printf statements. Average temperature is is send.to lf Celsius in location. Okay, so here we are going to send the current value, in which we are not we are going to send actual value. Okay, so actual value is based on our first node, in which in this case our first node is named as front, right? Front. Okay, and one more thing, we are going to display the value here Celsius in and in percent size. So we call this size here because it's going to display the value of the location. Let's compile this and check whether sometime, it's not some, there is something. Oh, sorry. Something. Okay, let's check. My mistake. Okay, highest temperature is 49 Celsius at two location at Kuala Lumpur. Average temperature in two location because the size now is two location. Okay, so that's it. That is how you should work with this kind of example. So lastly, let's set to 10. So that's all. Don't forget to do the exercise. Okay, thank you.